Alright, we got Kikala out here now. We're gonna see how long it takes her to get this down. Ah, wait. She wants to hit this. She wants to hit spring pole. We're gonna see. Well, we know she can get it. Ah, wait. But we're gonna let y'all watch her get it. Y'all, let us know, how long y'all think it's gonna take her to get it, what she gonna do to get it, and, go ahead. Get it. This West Joe. Oh, get. That's now. But that quarter. Gotta know one time. Get it. Yeah, my bad. All right, well, anyways, last time she stood up here and she shook it down, but I kind of put it all the way over, so it's almost hooked down there. But if it's up here, oh wait, I got an idea. Hold on. I think she would actually climb up. Hey, she almost got her jumping up there now. Hold on. Get it. All right now. But I don't want her to tire herself out, so I just want to see something real quick. Look. As you go this way, climb up. Do it. No, you gotta come around. No, not through. You gotta come around. Yeah, that way. Yeah. Go on up there. Get it. Good girl. Get it. No, come back. Come this way. Come on. Come back. Right here. Yeah, this way. Wait. Right here. Look, this way. Look. Go. Good girl. Get it. Look. You're too big, bro. You're like 100-something pounds. Get it. Come on. All right, well, y'all know we're going to save that for another video. All right, we're going to save that for another day because it's potential with that. I see her doing something great with that. But we're going to go and let her get this. All right. Wait. Hold on, wait. Whoa. Wait. Hold on. Come here. I'm gonna bring him back here. I'm gonna let him send her so I can get it on video. All right. Yeah. I wish I would have had what just happened on video. On video. All right.
You ready?
Yep. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Hey, see, this is how you get it done. I don't even know how much you really weighs, because I don't care about the weight. I go off my eyesight. She look good. She's the right size. Big, strong, athletic. That's what we want. And actually, she was a lot smaller than what everybody thought she was when I weighed her. When people thought she was like 115, she was only 99 pounds. And she was a lot bigger than a lot of other dogs that I didn't see. That's been about 120, said, so say. But yeah, this is that girl, Key Collar, the Joker daughter, the HellShark, Queen HellShark. This is what she loves to do. This, yeah, hike, swim. That's what she does. You know, we got to finish building these kennels back here. They tore their beds up. They don't even like their beds. These is destructo dogs. Oh yeah, Puma talks. No, it's not a growl. She talks. Boom. What's up, Boom? What's up, Boom? What's up, Boom? What's up, there? What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, Puma's a talker. Yeah, I heard back over here still. What's up, girl? Get collar. Oh. Yeah, get it. Huh?
I thought he was bleeding, but I think that might be collar.
Oh. Oh, he probably busted his lip playing with that ball. She did that yesterday. Yes, and no, you know, we let our dogs out and let them work out with certain things one by one. Huh? Oh yeah, she go crazy now. And she will get off the air. I mean, she will get off the ground, get up in the air. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wait. Oh. Oh yeah. Get it. Okay. Ah, hush. That's you, Troy. I'm like, bro, I'm trying to get out.
Drop it. And you know you're gonna go right for it again.
Cool, that might be fine. Oh, that might be cool.
Drop it.
Huh? Oh, yeah.
show. Black boy with a rifle. Tango going psycho. Might go, got them bitches wet. DMX, might go DMX all in one. Singing for my dogs, it's coming up out the slums.